Get into the 2014 Ford Escape. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. De-stress and decompress in this sleek and sporty Escape. Its quiet cabin, flexible seating and cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Capability and comfort blend beautifully in this sleek Escape. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.